And the last thing to look at is the different grip types that you get when you select items. So the top line segment is just that. It's a standard line segment. Whereas the bottom one is a polyline segment. Notice the different grips. The endpoint grips of both of these work identical, but the midpoint grip is a little bit different. With both of them, you can relocate the object by selecting that midpoint grip. But with the polyline, if you hover over it, you get a flyout menu where you can add that as a vertex and give it a corner condition. Same, you can also hover and convert it to an arc. Likewise, with a standard arc versus a polyline arc, I can take that midpoint grip and convert that polyline arc back to a line segment. Rectangular shapes, this is just a series of 4 standard line segments. This one is created using the rectangle command. The rectangle command creates a polyline object, and those same capabilities apply, where you can convert to vertexes, convert to arcs, change the locations of them, things like that. Circle is a circle is a circle. You're only going to get 5 grips no matter what. There's no such thing as a polyline circle. You can have some polyline arcs that are closed up to where they look like a circle, but they will not have 5 grips.